Konnichiwa minasan, let's go to some place here in Tokyo, Japan. Kung saan pwede tayo magsuot ng kimono or yukata. Some of the tourists here are asking, is it okay to wear yukata or kimono in different places here in Japan? Yes, of course. Pwede kayo magsuot ng kimono or yukata kung saan nyo gustong pumunta as long as komportable po kayo. Some of them are also asking if there's a season only to wear yukata or kimono. There is the best season to wear yukata, but you can wear at any season as long as komportable kayo. Some also are asking about what is the difference between yukata and kimono. Ano nga ba pinagkaiba nila? Kimono is the traditional Japanese clothing that is famous abroad, but perhaps many people do not know about yukata. Kimono are formal traditional wear, so yukata are the lighter, more casual version kumbaga. Yukata is perfect for summer festivals and events. Kimonos naman are usually have patterns that fit the season. Kimonos and yukata are looks like so similar. So there is no such a problem if the tourists want to visit here in Japan to wear yukata or kimono because you can wear it at any season. There is also asking how about the winter. Of course, you can wear it kimonos, yung makakapal talaga yung clothing niya. And then syempre, it is recommended to wear jacket na makakapal or jambas. Especially lalo na kung hindi nyo kakayanin yung lamig. And if you want to wear yukata or kimono, it is recommended na magsuot kayo ng inner part, yung fit sa katawan nyo para hindi siya naglulus at hindi nakikita sa labas yung panloob ninyong suot. And kung nakayukata kayo or nakakimono kayo, it is best to wear yung mga wooden sandals na kung tawagin nila ay geta. O kung nahihirapan naman kayo maglakad using geta, pwede naman yung mga light sandals as long as komportable kayo. Lastly, when walking in a yukata or kimono, it is always recommended to take tiny and short steps kasi if you walk the way you would wearing normal clothes, the yukata will start to come loose. And that's the end. I hope na nakatulong ako giving some information about yukata and kimono. Please subscribe me. See you on my next video wearing kimono during autumn season. See you on my next video. Thank you.